Hello, Good Vibes family. Welcome back to your go-to channel for positivity and inspiration. Today we're diving into 5 unbelievable stories of resilience from 2024 moments that proved the human spirit is unbreakable. You know, sometimes life throws you a curveball, or maybe even a whole bunch of curveballs all at once. It can be tough, believe me, I know. But then you hear stories, incredible stories, about people who face those challenges head-on and come out stronger on the other side. Let's get started. Our first story takes us to Chicago, where we meet Emma. Now, Emma was in a really bad accident earlier this year. I'm talking life-changing kind of stuff. The doctors told her she might never walk the same way again, let alone run. But you know what they say about when life gives you lemons? Emma, she took those lemons, made lemonade, and then ran a marathon with it. Can you believe that? 6 months, people, 6 months from a hospital bed to crossing that finish line. She told reporters that every step was a victory, a testament to the power of the human spirit. And you know what? She's right. Emma's story is a reminder that we are all capable of incredible things, even when the odds are stacked against us. It's about digging deep, finding that inner strength and saying, you know what, world? I'm not done yet. Our next stop takes us to a small town in Kentucky that was hit hard by devastating floods. We've all seen the pictures, right? The kind of images that just break your heart. Homes destroyed, businesses underwater, families displaced. But what happened next is truly remarkable. This little town, they didn't just wait around for help to arrive, they rolled up their sleeves and started helping each other. Neighbors helping neighbors, strangers lending a hand, everyone coming together as one. They rebuilt those homes, they got those businesses back on their feet, they even reopened the school, all because they believed in the power of community. It's a beautiful thing to see, isn't it? People coming together, putting aside their differences, and proving that love and compassion can overcome even the toughest of times. Now, let's head over to California, where 3 high school students are showing us that you don't need to be a certain age to make a real difference in the world. These teenagers, they put their brilliant minds together and invented a low-cost water filtration system.
And you might be thinking, okay, that's great, but what's so special about that?
Well, this isn't just any filtration system. This thing is a game changer. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and it's already providing clean drinking water to communities in need in over 10 countries around the world. Talk about impressive. These kids, they saw a problem, and they didn't just complain about it or wait for someone else to fix it. They took action. They're an inspiration to all of us, reminding us that no matter how young, or let's face it, how old we are, we all have the power to make a difference. Our next story takes us to the Sunshine State, Florida, where a group of passionate nature lovers decided to take matters into their own hands. They knew that deforestation is a huge problem, not just for the environment, but for all of us.
So they set an ambitious goal for themselves, plant 1 million trees in a year. 1 million. That's a lot of trees, right?
Well, guess what? They did it. These amazing people, they planted trees, they restored habitats, and they showed us all that it's never too late to start making a positive impact on our planet. It's a beautiful reminder that resilience isn't just about human beings. It's about our planet, too. It's about taking care of this incredible earth we call home and ensuring that it's healthy and thriving for generations to come. And finally, we travel to the city that never sleeps, New York City. In a world that often feels isolating, especially in a big city like that, a group of strangers came together to create something truly special, a mental health support group.
Now, these weren't therapists or doctors, just regular people who had all faced their own struggles with mental health. They shared their stories, they listened to each other, and they created a safe and supportive space for healing.
It's amazing, right? Just by being vulnerable and sharing their experiences, they helped themselves and countless others feel less alone. Their story reminds us of the importance of connection, of reaching out to others, and of knowing that we're never truly alone in our struggles. Because sometimes the bravest thing you can do is simply ask for help. These stories remind us that no matter how tough life gets, resilience always finds a way to shine through. From a marathon miracle in Chicago to a town rebuilt with love in Kentucky, from teenage innovators to tree-planting heroes, and from strangers finding strength in shared stories, these moments remind us of the incredible power of the human spirit. Which story inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you loved this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for your daily dose of good vibes. Until next time, stay strong, stay inspired, and keep spreading those good vibes. Bye for now.